Hi there, my name is Brittany Flanderk, and I'm going to be teaching you about a project that I do with my kids in the classroom, and I also do it with my kids at home. This project that we're going to be doing is a Happy Thanksgiving 2019 hand turkey oven mitt. I really love this project as it's really fun for the kids, and the parents really love it. It creates a very lasting memory of the time that they were in the classroom. There are two different arts that I studied in class that relate to this project. One is called process art and one is called product art. Process art is when you're giving the children different artistic materials and you're letting them think through how they want to put it on the paper and create their own masterpiece without you telling them what they're going to make. Product art is something that you give them the materials and then you're telling them what they're going to make. In this type of project, it is in fact a product art. When I was in school, I studied mostly process, and as I learned more in the field, I learned that it's okay to have a little bit of both. Nothing wrong with those things. So, today's project is I'm going to be teaching you how to make this type of item. The things you're going to need are paintbrushes for different colors, you're going to need paint. In this case, I chose brown for the body, green, blue, and red for the feathers. If you're going to use paint when working with children, it's best to use something that's water-based and non-toxic. If you're going to choose something that is permanent, that's okay too. My suggestion is for you to be in the room with the child if this is the case. The next thing you're going to need is you're going to need an oven mitt, and you're going to need a permanent marker. The permanent marker is for you to write the Happy Thanksgiving 2019 on here, or you can just say Thanksgiving 2019. However you'd like to do that is okay. One or the other is fine. And then you're going to need an oven mitt. You can choose an oven mitt of any color, of any size. I've used the bigger ones and the small ones. Just remember that because you are using different colors, if you use a red on red, it may not work. If you use a yellow on red, it may not work unless it's a neon yellow. And certain other colors may not work. So this is something to keep in mind. My suggestion is either to do a white oven mitt or a red one to go with the season. And if you're going to use a red, use more of the greens, blues, and purples, the more darker types of colors for it to show up. Okay? And then the last thing you're going to need is you're going to need a backup to help the child wipe off after you have painted their hands. You can use a washcloth, a sink if you have in your classroom or if you have it in your home. Or you can use even a baby wipe if that works and even comes off a little cleaner. In my case, because of what I have, I'm going to use a disinfectant wipe. It helps me with my hands. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to have the child pick a hand they would like to use. Left or right, all works the same. In my case, I'm going to use my left because this is the easy way also to see the way it works on the camera. So now, when you look at your hand or look at my hand, you may not see the turkey right away, and that's okay. But I'm going to help you show, or I'm going to show you where this turkey is going to be. Now, from your thumb to the bottom of your fingertips, all the way down to the base of your palm is going to be the body of the turkey. Your fingertips, your first finger, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger are going to be the feathers. Your thumb, which is also part of the body, as mentioned, is going to be where the face and the beak and the eyes are going to be. The palm of your hand is going to be where the feet are. I've also drawn you a diagram or where it is on my hand. I drew my hand on a piece of paper. If you would like to do this also with your child's hand to help you guide you, that's okay too. As you can see from the thumb, the bottom of the fingertips, all the way down to the palm is in fact the body of the turkey. The pointer finger, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger are where the feathers are going to be. The thumb is where the eye, and the beak are going to be, and the body, or the bottom where the palm is going to be where the legs are, as drawn so. You will draw at the end, you will draw the eye, the beak, and both of the feet on the bottom towards the end, which I will explain. Okay? The first thing you're going to do after you've chosen which hand they're going to use is you're going to start painting their hand. First thing you want to do is you're going to start with the brown. You'll take your paintbrush, you'll dip it in the brown, and you're going to start painting the body of the pig, or the turkey, excuse me. So you start with the thumb. And you're going to paint all the way around. Make sure you get all the way the bottom of the palm, all the way to the bottom of the fingertips. Make sure you cover everywhere. It is going to dry a little bit, so if you need to touch it up before you put it onto your oven mitt, that's okay. Okay? After you have covered every part of where the body of your turkey is going to be, then you're going to move on to your feathers. The first color I'm going to choose is my red, and I'm going to paint my first feather. My first feather is going to be my pointer finger. When you're painting the fingers, you want to make sure you cover all bases, all parts of your finger, all the way down to the brown. Try not to mix it, because it may look a little funny. The next color I'm going to personally choose, I'm going to choose my blue. This is going to be my middle finger color. Okay? And again, I'm going to cover all the bases of my finger, all the way down to the brown. You can see where this is all coming together. Okay? I'm going to choose green again. Or excuse me, I'm going to choose green. I'm going to do that for my middle finger, or excuse me, my pointer. No, wait, which finger is? I'm sorry, my ring finger. And I am going to cover all bases all the way down the brown. Okay? And then I'm going to, I think I'm going to do blue again, just because I like the color blue. And I'm going to finish off my pinky in the blue. As you can see, it's all come together and it looks beautiful. After you're done with this and you've painted their whole hand, make sure to see that anything is dried. I've not seen any of that paint dry, so that's okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to have the oven mitt on a flat surface, and you're going to press the child's hand onto the oven mitt. I'm going to do this right now. Okay. After you do it, it's going to look something like this. Although my hand is just a little bit bigger than a typical child's hand, it is going to look very much like this. After you are all done with your child's hand and you have put it on the oven mitt, you want to wash it off. So I'm going to take my time to wipe off my hand, and I'll be right back. Hi everyone, I'm back. So now my turkey looks like this. It's pretty beautiful. Now, after it's dried and after it's fully dried, you will now want to add the nose or the beak, the eyes, and the feet. After this is all done, you will want to add at the top, Happy Thanksgiving 2019. If you want, you can even add their name. I'm going to turn this over. You can add their name to the side of the turkey, saying something like, Brittany. So since my name is Brittany, I'll say Brittany. So now it'll say, Happy Thanksgiving 2019, and it'll have my turkey with my name on it. It's a very beautiful project. I very much enjoy it, and I hope you enjoy it too. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation. I hope you guys have a great day.